Hi guys, what's up? This is lesson 8 and I'm going to show you how I did the raisin, which is going to be the history teacher or maybe the librarian. Guys, I always like to imagine how I can relate the food to their respective characters. In this case, raisins are good for the memory and gives you energy, so I think this dried fruit is interesting. Hated by many and loved by few, this dried fruit, like the pepper, will represent a teacher whose personality will be defined by their appearance. That's why I decided that the raisin will be an old woman. Calm, friendly, and with a quiet voice. I'll also add big glasses to highlight the eyes and achieve a funnier look. And guys, that's what this lesson will be about. I'll speed up the video, so please watch it and see what I've done. There's nothing much to it. I've used one of the Kyle Webster's brushes that resembles a pencil. And remember that I talked about this before. Well, you see how I did this character. See you in the next lesson.